Good day everyone and welcome to Learn English with Blaine. This is Beginner Dictation 1 with a focus on verbs. And today we are going to talk about daily chores. And these are little jobs that you do around your house. The instructions. I will say the passage once at a normal rate. I will repeat each passage 2 more times, but much slower. Write as much as you can. I will show you the passage at the end. Do not worry if you make a few spelling mistakes or miss a few words. The important thing is that you practice. Remember, this is listening practice and writing practice. One more thing. Remember to underline the verbs after you write your dictation. So you are going to write what you hear me say, and then you are going to underline the verbs. Remember that verbs are action words. Verbs are action words. Do you have your pen and paper ready? Okay, because you are going to write your dictation on paper. Okay? And then remember, you are going to listen and then write what you hear. Let's do an example first. This is an example. If I was to say, please wash the floors in the bathroom, you will write this out and then you will underline wash, because wash is a verb. Okay, so you will write, please wash the floors in the bathroom, and you will underline the verb wash, because this is an action word. Okay, let's go on to dictation number 1. The children made the beds. The children made the beds. Made the beds. Okay, so I'll give you a moment to underline the verb. Okay, and this is what I said. The children made the beds. Dictation 2. Please scrub the kitchen floors. Please scrub. Please scrub the kitchen floors. The kitchen floors. And I'll give you a moment to underline the verb. Please scrub the kitchen floors. Scrub means to wash, but it means to wash something really well. Please scrub the kitchen floors. This is another word for wash, usually with a sponge or a cloth. Dictation 3. Jeffrey washed the dog. Jeffrey washed the dog. Jeffrey washed the dog. Jeffrey washed the dog. And the verb here again is washed. Dictation 4. I organized my desk yesterday. I organized I organized my desk yesterday. My desk yesterday. I organized my desk yesterday. Organized. Organized is a verb. Dictation 5. Our last dictation. Please put away the dinner plates. Please put away. Please put away the dinner plates. The dinner plates. Please put away the dinner plates. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. This brings us to the end of the video. So today we looked at 5 dictation videos. I want to thank you all very much for participating by listening and then writing your dictation. Remember, please leave your comments or questions in the comment section below, and I will respond to those. If you like the video, please remember to share, like, and subscribe. Thank you so much. There will be another beginner video next week. Every Monday there will be a new video for beginners. Thank you and have a great day.